Mobile phone setup for remote viewing via app. You will need to know your DVR serial number to be able to view remotely on your mobile phone. Go to Main menu and select Info. Select Version. Your serial is located in the information on the left and also provided on the right as a QR code if you prefer to scan it when needed. Keep this section open on your DVR as you will soon need it with the mobile app. On your mobile phone, open the App Store or Play Store. Type in XMEYE. Install the application. Open. Agree. Also allow. On the bottom left corner you can see an orange icon which is local login. Click on the icon. Agree. In the upper right corner there is a plus icon. Click on the add icon. Give your device any name. For example, I will use home. We will now enter the serial number which we saw on our DVR. Say OK. As you can see, my home device is now online. Click on your device and input your DVR's password. OK. I have only connected one camera for test, so on my system you will only be viewing one camera. You can double click on a particular camera to enlarge the screen.